I removed most of them. So these parts, I removed them. Cool. I got the socket. Remove this part. We're thinking of taking everything. This part, I don't think I'm gonna take it since we still have the other one. Now you're able to take it if you want. Just remove this one, take the whole part, which would be not a bad idea. But I mean, the frame is still good on the other one. The bumper's gonna go on top, no problem. We remove this one. Take out the little plastic supports or plastic covers. And as you see, the wires, we remove the wires. We got the sensors right here. We might take the sensors, you know, just in case they don't work. So I want to take this one, but this one's actually welded in there. You know, I'm not sure. I think it does have it, so I don't think I need it. But we're able to take it if we choose to. We can remove the whole thing. The wires, we can just remove the wires, just lift them up, remove them like that, so get them away. This one is actually the hinge right here. I mean, this lock right here. So whenever it's locked, this is the one that's gonna pull it from the inside. All right. So this is what we're gonna remove. This one as well. This is another wire. It goes connected right here. So we're just gonna remove this one just by pulling on this one. There we go. Pulled it. It breaks, but we don't need it, so it doesn't matter. It's connected right here. Just remove it real quick. Right there. Now it's loose. Perfect. We got another wire. This is not our wire, so we don't have to worry about it. Perfect. This one's going through with remove. This one, I want to show you guys how to remove it right now. Pretty simple. You see this little lock right here. Lift it up. There we go. It's off right there. And then from right here, you actually have to move it like that. Boom, and it's loose. All right. So whenever this doesn't lock with the inside, now you guys know is this little thing right here. Very cool. Very simple. This little wire goes right here. So this is the one that pulls up right here. Oh, there we go. Very cool. Very awesome, right? Easy breezy. Now we're gonna remove a couple other parts. I see this one has also screws, but like I said, we're gonna take the whole thing out because we want the whole thing. The other one has it. It's kind of broken. We don't care about it, but either way, we're gonna remove everything because we're gonna remove the AC condenser and the radiator, right, with the support. So we're gonna take everything out. Now, once we take it out, if we don't need it, then if I change my mind, I'll probably leave it. But for right now, I'll take it. As you see, we have a little bee right here stuck. A little dead bee. All right. Very cool. Very cool. A little close up right there. You guys can see. Very cool bee, right? All righty. So we're gonna finish removing it, and yep. I'm gonna get it back to unscrewing. So I got those parts already. So you can see right here, there's a wire harness. These are the sensors. Pretty cool. If it wasn't a car crash, just like my car was, we might need it. I'm not sure if it's there or not. We're gonna take this as well, the bottom one. We're gonna pretty much take everything because you already know that everything's missing. If you see a picture right here, put on the screen, everything's pretty much missing. So we're gonna take it. This is pretty much broken too. This is all hanging down. So we're gonna take everything out. And what I'm thinking is that I'm just gonna take the whole complete part. Actually, I can't remove this one unless I remove it from right here. So if I could remove the whole thing, might as well just take the whole part and just replace it. I don't have to. Pretty much I could. You guys see this? Cool. This one's right here. Just removed it. All right, that was right there. You gotta remove it. Obviously, now you're gonna see where it goes. I was actually trying to get a 9-inch screw to remove this one because it's right here. So I don't know what that's for, but who cares? Just to support it right there so it won't rattle, I guess. And now we're gonna remove all the wires. See these? The wires. This is the little fan. The little fan spinning right there. Clean it up afterwards. And yep, the motor's a little bit down. Doesn't matter. Hopefully it doesn't fall on us. I doubt it. But that's it. We're gonna keep removing it.